Hi, today I'm for the new Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So hold for a while the application and drag the app to another one, and by this way we could create the new home screen folder. To rename it or give a name, just tap on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK and we can see that we just successfully renamed it. To move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, we should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. Also, if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Let's also check if you want to remove all of the applications with the folder together. You should hold the folder and drag to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.